Hello, I am Soham Chauhan and this is my partner Dhruv. We are both from Jamnabai Nursery International School in Mumbai. A few weeks back, we applied for the CODEVAOUR competition and it was an absolutely wonderful experience learning to code on pictoblox, discussing our ideas, and then finally building the board.
If you're living in Mumbai, you will have seen the condition of some canals and lakes, and even rivers in some parts of India. For example, take the Methi River. Over several decades, rivers such as Methi have been systematically ravaged by pollution such as plastic and other waste. This has created several issues for residents nearby. It is a disaster especially for congested cities such as Mumbai. Ultimately, all this waste lands up in the sea. This truly inspired us to make a prototype of something which can help clean the surface of the water from plastic and other wastes. The Thalassic Trash collector is a prototype to address such issues. Such an idea can go a long way in collecting garbage to clean up the rivers and other water bodies and thereby controlling pollution levels. Okay, so this is the board. It's a simple build made with two plastic bottles, sheets of acrylic to join them, a vegetable net, and Arduino components stuck on the upper sheet of the acrylic. The structure of the board is simple. The bottles to make the board float and the acrylic to make a flat surface to stick the electronic components. We are using this bottom sheet to stick the net to the bottom. It will go under the water so the board can easily collect the trash from the surface. The top one is to stick the net to the top to keep the Arduino components above the water. So now let's see how it works. Basically, we control the machine with an app called Dabble, which is used to interface with the Bluetooth HC05. So we are connected to the Bluetooth right now. And this is the Bluetooth HC05 module. So these the two motors run on this 3.7 volt battery, but we use this booster to make it 5 volts. It powers the rest of the circuit. So that's it for the connections. Let's now go on to the pictoblox.
Extensions including Arduino Uno for the code, actuators for the motors, and dabble to interface the Arduino with the dabble phone app. So this code here is like a really simple one. So just need to use the arrows on the gamepad and dabble to move the boat in the direction of the arrow.
Okay, so now let's take the mode app, the menu. So we'll be choosing the gamepad over here. We're actually already connected. But if you're not connected, then you have to just click on that icon over there and it will show you this option.